I'm Gabriela Leite, one of the scientists at MAST Cedars-Sinai LA, and I'm here to present my poster. Breath testing is used to diagnose small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, intestinal methanogens overgrowth, and lately to also diagnose intestinal sulfide overproduction. In this study, we compared the breath test of subjects that took either glucose as a substrate or lactulose as the substrate. In this study, we compared the full breath test of subjects that took lactulose or glucose as a substrate. When taking lactulose as a substrate, we observe a rise of hydrogen throughout the entire duration of the breath testing, as opposed to glucose that drops after 60 minutes. And because of that, we observe a higher rate of SIBO being detected in those subjects that took lactulose as a substrate as compared to glucose. On the other hand, we did not observe any differences in the rates of EMO or ESO when comparing subjects that took glucose as a substrate to lactulose. More importantly, more subjects with severe diarrhea were classified as controls when glucose was utilized as a substrate as compared to lactulose. In conclusion, a positive breath test for SIBO is more common in lactulose versus glucose. Also, glucose breath tests exclude 6.2% of subjects with severe diarrhea that could benefit with treatment. Thank you for visiting our posters at DDW 2025.